Okay, so today chef is not here and I'm filming. I will show you guys a day's operation. First of all, I would like you to meet my friend Kenil. He is from Jamaica. All of Indians who know Jamaica, I think Chris Gale is from Jamaica, right?
Yeah.
Who else is from Jamaica? Pollard, Andre Russell,
Yeah.
Darren Sammy.
Yeah, Bravo.
Doing Bravo. Yeah, Bravo is very good. I'm very fan of Bravo, Pollard, Andre Russell, especially when he played with India. So this is a little tour. This is our boards where the party preparation goes on. Here is our daily board, which I'm gonna work on today. We have a lot of ovens, to be honest. And this is our dry storage. Chocolates and chocolates. And we've got two cooler here, which we will show you. Got one cooler over there. This is a freezer. So, just so you know, it's -10. So today is Sunday. I worked yesterday. I almost finished all my prep work. I had to cook a lot of stuff, which is like, if you see, opera cake, tres leches, leche flans. But Sunday it's gonna be pretty chill because I have cooked all of my stuff yesterday, and today I'm just gonna prepare for the parties. And first party that I will prepare is gonna be 6759 at the very top on my Sunday list. So let's start. So if you can see here, 6759 is mud pie, chess pie and banana cream, 70 each of them. I've got my station set up here already, my knife, jug with hot water, and Kenil is working over there. He is working on his station. So I'll bring those mud pie, cheese pie and banana cream pie. So here is the banana cream pie in front of me. My station is set. I have to cut 70 of them, and here we already store our plates pre-plated. After cutting those pie, these will go over here. Take this off. This off. And this goes right here on the plate, and I'm gonna do 70 of each. So this is just one kind of pie that you are seeing, and I'm gonna do a lot. So I don't want to make you feel bored. So after I'm done, I'll show you actually. Okay, so as you guys knew that I'm cutting the pies. So this is the banana cream pie. This is the chocolate mud pie here. And this rack have the 10-inch chess pie. So after I'm done cutting with this, I will highlight my list, and then we will know that my list is done. That job is particularly done. So the next thing will be highlighting my list. So actually I just had my lunch and I got still quite a bit to do until my shift ends, which will be at 7:30. So I will keep you guys updated and let's see what else I need to do. So right now on my list I've got brownies. So when we got the brownies, we put the brownies on this plate like this, and I will show you in a second. And after this, yes Ken, you need something?
No.
You're just watching the presentation?
Yeah.
Ken is just watching the presentation, but yeah, I'll cut one and then I'll stop the video because then I'll have to play it and complete my list. So it should be just like this. It should be cut like this and it should be set on the plate like this. So one on this side, one on other side. So you'll take one piece of brownie, you'll do your knife, cut it from the middle, and there we go. We got a piece like this, and the whole entire plate will look like this. And I have to make like 150 of them, Ken. Okay, so
You're gonna need a.
I'm actually done cutting the brownie. So here what we are gonna do, we are gonna make a label and we are gonna stick that label to this cart right here, and we are gonna put those brownies, these cutting brownies, after we wrap the brownies with this, then we are gonna put on this cart and then we are gonna label it. So when the banquet person comes in, they will look at the label, date, event number, and they will understand how and what cart to take. So right now what I'm about to do is that I made these pine tarts. These pine tarts, inside they have pine and the pie filling. So we are gonna garnish them. For garnish we will using like the piping bag and a cone with the teeth. So let's see. And actually what are we gonna put inside of the piping bag? It's going to be an all-purpose ganache that we made on the house, which you can see right here. We're not gonna do anything fancy. After this, right after this, we are gonna do the tiramisu. But first of all, we will take some ganache. And I always do it with scoop because it's really easier. One of the person was doing it and I was like, this looks interesting, and I'll do it with the scoop because it's very efficient and less messy. So I'll take a bit more since I'll have to do the tiramisu as well. So that, and after this, it's not gonna be fancy or anything. It's just gonna be like this. Just like this. If you can see it from here, just like this. Okay. Okay, these are done, but I've got one more sheet tray of the same pine tarts, and then we are gonna garnish the tiramisu. That's gonna be interesting as well. Just this thing and coffee beans on top. And after I finish this, I will do the tiramisu. So now I'm going to do the tiramisu, which I have already done. You see these round gold plated tiramisu on top, the tiramisu AP ganache on top, and there will be one coffee bean on top. So let's finish this one and then I'll show you. For 1 minute I thought that there is no more coffee beans, but finally I got this. So it will look like coffee beans, but these are actually chocolates. Just on top, and that's it. You know, I always wanted to like explore the different areas of the kitchen, and so far I feel like there is so many things to learn. There's in one lifetime I cannot learn all, so at least I will try to do my best and try to learn as much as possible, because it just gives me pleasure that I know. When you know, you know. When you don't, you don't. So that's the thing. And also, while I'm doing this, I wanted to ask you guys, please let me know how you find this video, because this is gonna be an experimental thing. So if you please answer me on this video, it will be really appreciated, and I'll be able to try more videos like this so you also can see what is going on, right? So I'll finish this real quick. I'm almost done with my list for today, which you will obviously see at the end of my roundings, when I'll do the roundings with the cart, that is everything set in place. When our executive chef will come tomorrow morning, he needs to see a pristine kitchen. So I'll make sure that happens and everybody will be happy. So, oops. Yeah, I'm actually going for 2 days off. So I have tons of editing to do with this video right now. And then finally you will be able to see it. Please let me know how you like this video. I'm dying to hear from you. Okay, this looks great. So today was a pretty decent day, except the others, and I had to do quite a lot, as you guys will see. Right now I am doing this caramel panna cotta, and these are the caramel panna cotta that I made. I whipped some cream over here, which I'm gonna put it here, and I'm gonna do some garnishing on top, and then I'm gonna put it in the freezer for our next day's use. So just enjoy how I garnish. That will be the end, and then I will do a tour in the cooler, or walk in if you please. Then it will be finished. So that what's a typically day look like. Most of the stuff here and there. I had to make some cheesecake also. Cheesecake, how can I say this? Like a cheesecake mix. Yes, cheesecake mix. Because there was some issue with the morning person. So one of my friends requested me, and I was like, he told me, if you can please make it. So yeah, we take care of one another, and that's the way it is. And yeah, thanks for watching. Have fun. So thank you so much for spending the whole day with me. Here you can see everything is set. The pies, bread, the cornbread, and party for the 8th of March. This is for the 7th, so these cards in front. This party is later on the 8th, so that's why these are in the back. Here you can see all of our stuff is stocked here. So yeah, I think you should enjoy this video and at least learn from it, that what goes on a kitchen on a daily basis. Of course, there's a lot more in there that I couldn't put it on the video because I also had to work. So thank you so much, and I will see you with more nice videos. Thank you for supporting.